Hello and welcome back. Today, as you can already see here, I want to add armor to our game. Uh, for now, it's just a framework because we will refine it later. Right now, we just need a proof of concept for so that it works. For now, it will be just like another export here, armor. mm, Amount or percentage. I don't know. We will see. I went ahead and talked to ChatGPT already and came up with this. And I still wanted to start recording. I want these numbers to change. 0.0 no armor, 20% to 25% reduction. Cap prevents invincible weirdness. Yeah, okay. I want the cap to be 75 or 50% max. And I wanted uh, basically not a zero. So even with 50% reduction cap, you can still deal one damage no matter what. So let's. Okay, it got the code ready already. I didn't actually ask for that, but okay. Let's tell ChatGPT what we want to print. Let's try 75% cap first. Uh, I think I can do that by just changing the 95. Uh, so we can have to read this one again. I'm so sorry. So well, I don't know why I'm recording me typing. You maybe don't want to see that. Uh, make it at least. Sorry, make it so that at least. Sorry, again. I forgot what sentence I was thinking about. Make it so that actors take at least one damage, even if their armor blocks everything. So later on, we will have with this situation something along the lines of piercing weapons. Uh, Maybe blunt weapons will deal less damage, and we can make the armor take damage as well. Okay, so one tiny tweak. Yeah, that part needs to change. Keep the sign. This already guarantees one damage. Yeah, exactly. Sorry. I wanted to start recording right away and didn't read this part. Hmm. Final damage, maximum one final damage. So if our final damage is, I don't know, 0.1, it will still deal one damage because as I checked before, the max thing takes the maximum inside these parentheses. If final damage is lower than 1, it will take 1. If it's higher than 1, it will take final damage. Perfect. What this guarantees, armor can never exceed 75%. Actors always take damage, at least one damage. Yeah, I didn't want flat reduction. For example, I didn't want the armor to block, I don't know, exactly 10 damage. then our swords would do nothing, but spears do 2 damage. That makes spears obsolete. No one would want, sorry, not the spears. That would make the swords obsolete or useless. No one would want to use swords. No immortal total edge cases. Pipeline is already compatible with future equipped armor. Yes, I just wanted to the pipeline, the framework ready because in the future I want to add equipable armor. For example, if you are the triangle, if you want to play as a triangle, you can equip armor and make your glass cannon less glassy, I think. And if you want a more bulky, tanky square, you can do that as well. But armor will also have weight. So square guy is already slower than others. If you equip armor on top of that, it will affect your rotation speed, your attack speed, your movement speed. Exactly, debuffs armor should add later. And armor will degrade inside the fight. As you take hits, armor will start degrading. Maybe I might give armor its own HP like durability so that whenever it blocks any amount of damage, armor takes that damage, negates it from the actor, but takes it itself and breaks. We will see. Or maybe armor might not have to break, but it when its durability gets lower, it might block less damage. Oh, that works too. Okay, I'm just thinking out loud right now. And yeah, that's actually better. If you want to help me with creating this, just let me know which one sounds better to you. Okay, productive improvement, exactly the kind you said you wanted. You didn't think something. I don't know why ChatGPT keeps doing this, but ChatGPT is so nice. It, it always tells encouraging words like these. Okay, yes, this is still a solid one. Let's start by making these, sorry, not making, putting these lines inside our code. I can work with 0 to 1. That's basically 95%. Yeah, so it's the same. Um, take damage to apply armor. Okay, now the fun part. So amount integer, raw amount, percent armor reduction. Subtract HP part. Last print. Just this part. Okay, these are locked false amount knockback direction. Incoming hit, emit CTX. If CTX blocks, return. Oh, okay. These parts are irrelevant to our things. Okay. Oh, okay. HP minus equals amount. So, okay, we don't have to do that. Reduction, clamp F. What? What was that clamp F? Okay, I will paste it there and then check that out. Armor percentage 0.0. And this is the maximum. Yes. Bar final damage integer ceiling row times 1 minus reduction. Good. And 0 damage feeling unnecessary. Well, that's final damage, maximum or final damage. Good. HP minus final damage. Good. Good, good, good. I understand what this is. That's actually a good thing. Oops. And what did I? Why are you doing it upstairs? What the hell is happening? Can you? Yes. The cursor was there, but it didn't move the correct um, correct line for me. So, mhm, hmm, export cap to 75. But this is still okay. Let's ask this. But why did it copy it twice? I don't know. Okay, I yeah, I counted right in time. 75. So what does clamp have? Clamps the value returning a float not less than minimum and not more than maximum. Okay, clamp F. F means float, okay? Value something. Minimum. Okay, okay. That makes perfect sense. So armor percentage is our value. And that's right here. That's right here. Armor percentage. This one. Perfect. And 0, 0 normal, 25, 25. Okay, let's make this 75 as well. Uh, okay. This is a different one, export range. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. Um, and this is step, but I don't know what step is. Maybe it's when I click it manually, it takes this amount, that much, increase it low or decrease it by that much. Okay, I want to go back to take damage. Yes. Now, our final damage, no, not final damage, reduction is calculated by armor percentage, and clamp F does this value minimum or maximum. This is our value, and minimum can be this, and maximum can be this. Okay, and final damage, ceiling, raw damage. If you swing a sword, this will be 10 times 1 minus reduction. So 75%, which means 7.5 damage. And what does ceiling do? Rounds X upward. So 75 armor would be 8 damage for the sword. Uh, that's a little bit stupid. But we can work with that for now. This this part is the stupid part. 1.001 is 2, 1.45 is 2. That's the stupid part. Mm. Low round snapped. We will see how we feel about this. And maximum final damage, maximum 1 or final damage, which is this calculation. HP minus final damage. Perfect. If it blocks all the damage, it still takes 1 damage. HP minus equals final damage. Took circle actor, took final damage. So circle actor took 7.5 damage. Raw damage is 10. Armor 75%, interaction, etc, etc, etc. Okay, we will see all this on code. Let's try it. Let me read this first. Okay. Well, now I am going to. Oh, okay, okay, okay. This is what it means by step. ChatGPT turned this into a slider for me. And each slide takes a single step. And 75% is the max. Okay. Let's test it. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I have to test this one in a more controlled way. Why do I keep moving the screen? I don't have to move this one. No, because I want all of them gone at once. Circle, triangle, triangle, square. No, not circle, sorry. Square. So, let's go one-on-one, baby. Ooh. Took 3 damage, raw 10, armor 75, HP 97. And if I hit him, good. That's good. Let's give you 50% armor, opponent. And let's fight, baby. I want the spear. And the shield. Circle actor 2 took 6 damage because I hit for 12. Hit for 10, 75, and 7. But it's supposed to round upwards. Is it rounding the percentage upwards? No. Uh-huh. Okay, my bad. It's rounding the damage upwards. So I took 2.5 damage, but it registers as 3. We might have to turn that into an integer. That means people can live with half, ah, yeah, 0.5 HP. Ooh, that wasn't so clean. I hit once, but it registered more than once. But that's okay. Hit me. Hit me with both weapons. Oops. Good. So, armor works. Right now, yeah, let's keep ourselves at 75% so we don't die easily. What? What? Brother, just give me 0.5, 0.1, yeah, 0.1, and 0.25, and again 0, 0.5, and let's give the circle actor something in between. 0. 30. It just doesn't matter. Oops, I want my circle to be AI as well. I just want to watch. I want to. You might be watching these, but I'm looking at the console damages. This is working fine actually. Circle actor 1 as an unfair advantage, of course, but that's what I wanted. I wanted to see if, yeah, these will have lots of effects on the gameplay. 9 damage with hit from a spear. Woo! That's good. That's really good. Okay, I am liking this system. And imagine that these are equipable armors. That's maybe not going to show up here as part of the gameplay, but um, it will be affecting the gameplay a lot. So we proved that we can calculate the armor inside our damage calculations, and we proved that it works. This is a step in the right direction. I know I've been doing small episodes lately. This is just a single tiny improvement on the game. But that's it from me today. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed my video, but this is not exactly just a video for a video's sake. I wanted to document what I'm going through while making a game with ChatGPT's help. So again, hope you enjoyed it. We made a tiny bit of progress again today. Take care.